It's at least a couple dollars.
Okay, you got it.
There's a picture. Go. It's open, Diane. Hey. No. Bye. Bye.
Hi, Diane. What are you doing?
Move your hand.
Man, he's got his tongue out. He's got his tongue out.
Oh, you and your hand.
No. The other way.
Ay, nomás ve con un amor.
Okay, who's next? Where's Kathy? Hurry up, Kathy. We got something for you. Cut my hair.
Loves space, doesn't he?
Hey, he didn't have any fun at Scooby.
I don't know if it's stuck loud or not. Wait till they come. Oh, you know,
Diane Brackett, Halloween,
you know what would have been
1991.
Abracadabra.
Come on, escort. Colleen, knock that off. Hey, how come I got no new sheets and blankets on my bed?
I have a big safety pin for you, baby.
You do?
Ooh, cool. Let's pin them up. Let's get them going.
You got more than one?
I just